Hey y'all, I know this is a bit delayed, but the other day we actually decided to go ahead and start planting our beans and our cucumbers in our newly designed garden. So originally we planted these items specifically on the side of our garage, and had a very similar setup where we had the poles as well as the netting. But it was a little bit harder to manage because it was in an enclosed space with a fence and we couldn't really get on either side. Now with this new layout, we've attached the poles in the center, added the netting, and then as you can see, we had an excess amount of soil that we received from our delivery, and so we created a long mound strip of the dirt as well as installing irrigation lines, drip irrigation lines on either side. So on the first side, he actually placed bush beans that were running along the whole entire line of the space. And then on the other side, we're actually alternating pole beans as well as cucumbers. And so it'll kind of be evenly spaced and they'll be sharing all the area of this patch of the garden. But yeah, we're excited with a little cameo from our doggy to add some more seeds and start to see the progress we are making with this 2026 garden project. Okay, that's all I got for now. Thanks all.